English grammar.
Verbs. A verb is a word that shows action. For example, jumping girl, the baby sleeps, a man eats a burger. Here, jumping, sleeps, eats are the words that shows action. Types of verbs. Verbs talk about the action or the state of any noun or subject. Under action verbs, we have transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs have a definite object on which or for which the action is being performed. For example, Rose is painting the kitchen walls. Hannah gave him a big hug. Intransitive verbs also show action, but here there is no specific object on which the action is being done. For example, Rose is painting right now. Hannah sneezed repeatedly. Linking verbs. Linking verbs connect the subject to a noun or adjective that helps in describing or providing additional information about the subject. For example, Lisa is fussy about food. They are stubborn children. The students felt relieved, or the students are relieved. Every student felt the relief, or every student is, are the relief. Here, felt can be replaced by the linking verbs like are, is, am. Verb tenses. The tense of a verb shows the time of an event or action. Past. Simple past tense. The action is simply mentioned and understood to have taken place in the past. Past continuous tense. The action was ongoing till a certain time in the past. Present. Simple present tense. The action is simply mentioned and there is nothing being said about its completeness. Present continuous tense. The action is ongoing or still going on and hence continuous. Future. Simple future tense. Simple future is used when we plan or make a decision to do something. Nothing is said about the time in the future. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to express action at a particular moment in the future. In English verb tense, we have simple past tense, continuous past tense, perfect past tense, perfect continuous past tense. Similarly, simple present or future tense, continuous present or future tense, perfect present or future tense, perfect continuous present or future tense. Under simple past tense, we have an example. I studied English yesterday. Its continuous past tense will be I was studying English. Perfect past tense will be I had studied English, and perfect continuous past tense will be I had been studying English. Same way, simple present tense will give us I study English. Continuous present tense, I am studying English. Perfect present tense, I have studied English. Perfect continuous present tense, I have been studying English. Simple future tense, I will study English. Continuous future tense, I will be studying English. Perfect future tense, I will have studied English. Perfect continuous future tense, I will have been studying English. Verbs can be divided into two broad categories. Strong and weak. Strong and weak verbs differ in the manner in which they form the past tense. Strong verb. A main verb that does not need a t, d, ed to give its past and past participle forms is called as a strong verb. For examples, give, gave, given, take, took, taken, break, broke, broken. What is a weak verb? Generally, a main verb that needs a t or d to give its past and past participle forms is called as a weak verb. A main verb that loses an e from its usual form to give the past and past participle forms is called as a weak verb. For example, the word read, its past is read and past participle is read. The word bleed, its past is bled and its past participle is also bled. A verb that does not change its usual form in all the three forms is also called as a weak verb. For example, cut, set, put. A main verb that needs an ed to form its past and past participle form is called as a weak verb. For example, the word walk, its past tense is walked, past participle is walked. The word render, its past is rendered and past participle is also rendered. Here are some more examples of strong and weak verbs. Given words are present, past and past participle. Give, gave, given. Take, took, taken. Break, broke, broken. Shake, shook, shaken. Wake, woke, woken. Bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Seek, sought, sought. Burn, burnt, burnt. Build, built, built. Meet, met, met. Read, read, read. Bleed, bled, bled. Lead, led, led. Cut, cut, cut. Let, let. Put, put. Set, set. Walk, walked. Talk, talked. Thank you and have a fun-filled learning.